My name is Genter. I'm the Warehouse Operations Traffic Manager here at Gorman-Rupp. I've been with the company for 41 years. Our department is the final checkpoint before the pumps are shipped to the customer. Every unit that comes through is visually inspected. We are looking for signs of leakage, scratches, or packaging issues. If we spot a concern with workmanship, we'll pull the pump for rework, whatever it takes for the product to be delivered as expected. Because we're the last department to handle Gorman-Rupp equipment before it goes out the door, we take extra care in staging and loading each pump for fast, safe delivery. We monitor shipping and track damage complaints to continuously improve how we get the final product to the end user. Whether it's updating crating and packaging or rerouting a shipment, the goal is always the same: to get our customers what they need in excellent condition and on time. I'm the Warehouse Operations Traffic Manager, and we are the Pump People.